Here we are again with another Downsize Allies and Swick Real Estate Group success story. She is moving into a smaller patio home. Kids are in college, a perfect scenario for us to help. She's leaving her 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home here in Centerville with a full finished basement. And let's take a tour. So this home here, again, is in Centerville. It's the typical circular floor plan that everyone loves. It's very convenient for entertaining. They have masterfully remodeled the kitchen. Check this out. Beautiful new kitchen, center island, granite, has the nice bump out. As we continue through the family room, to the living room. With gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves. Thanks again for watching. This amazing Centerville home will be coming on the market. Be sure to check out the website DaytonRealEstateOnline.com, as well as DownsizeAllies.com and DeniseSwick.com for more information